Hey guys, now that the swimming pool is done at my house here, at our apartment, I'm going to give you another walkthrough of my house with the pool so you guys can see what the finished product is like and what it's like living here. Stick around. So, I've done a tour of the home before, but I'm going to show it again because it's now furnished. So, here is the living room area. There's Maya, my beautiful girl. Hi. And a storage area under the stairs. Dining room area, which is actual work area now as well, and eventually we'll put in a little love seat or something here. And bedroom number 1 on the first floor. Our kitchen. Hi, Maya. And outdoors, and we just bought a washing machine, so we can now do our own laundry. And we got like a dirty kitchen out here where we can cook and stuff. First bathroom, sorry, a little messy, but there's hot water, of course, in the bathrooms. And upstairs, we'll follow Maya. Bedroom number 1 is Maya's daughter's room. She gets the biggest room, but this is actually the master bedroom, but it's a big area for her to play. And then we have the second CR. There's Maya putting a little makeup on. And this area here, that's a fire escape straight ahead. It's a big hallway area, which actually Maya uses this to work out and exercise in. And this is the bedroom that we have, and the view. And we chose this because it overlooks the pool, even though this is but this is now our view, which is why we chose this.
So nice, right?
Yeah, when we first moved here, it was just a hole in the ground. But we were like, there's going to be a pool here, and this is going to be a nice view.
Show the balcony.
Not as good of a view as my girlfriend, but...
I will not clean this here yet, but I'm going to clean this, babe, and we're going to put like chairs here and we have coffee.
But this is our view. Again,
we're literally in front of the pool.
That area there will be covered, and we'll have barbecue grill and tables.
I'm really good at choosing spot. I choose this spot.
Yes. Maya chose this exact apartment. We really had a choice between 3.
Yeah, we're supposed to
4. We had a choice of 4 apartments, and we chose this one because it overlooked the pool. So there we go. All right, so that's a tour of the house, and honestly, all we use is the split type aircon here. And at nighttime, we just use the ceiling fans. It cools off enough that we don't really need to use the air cons in the bedrooms. And our electric bill last month was 3,700 pesos. Not that expensive. Water, internet, electric came out to 6,200 pesos. So water, internet, electric, we were only spending, gosh, like 110 US dollars for all three of those utilities. And so it hasn't been expensive. And we are just super excited now that we have the pool to hang out and swim in and do barbecues. That's actually our next thing, is we are going to have a barbecue grill out the back where our laundry and dirty kitchen area is, and ordered a margarita machine. So basically, I can't imagine life much better, to be honest. I've got a beautiful girlfriend, loving girlfriend, a margarita machine, a barbecue area in the swimming pool now, and you throw in some travel and some adventures, and life is good here in the Philippines. And the best part of the house now is the pool, which is literally right outside. The best part. Oh, Maya is definitely the best part. But the pool now is amazing. So the pool has got a couple items that still needs to be done, but for the most part, it's finished. So right outside my front door is the pool. Here's what it looks like. So here's the kiddie pool, and the whole front area. Looking beautiful. This was all done in a matter of 3 months. Now this will all be covered with a canopy like this over here. Got like a little waterfall, and this also will have tables and a grill, and this is a bamboo shower like the pump area, but yeah, you got the sink, got the shower back here, and this is the where the pump is. Beautiful, got lawn chairs and nice couch. Yeah. So this is home right now. This is the pool, and this is going to be a lot of time out here chilling, but especially when the grill is complete, you know, we can be grilling and cooking out here, swimming. And there's only 5 apartments here in the house of the owner, so it's going to be quite nice. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.